Hey guys, Matt from Dudes Camping here. Today I've got a backpacking lunch recipe that is so easy to make that I don't know why more campers don't do this on the trail. It's called Cranberry Peanut Butter Tortilla Rolls. These things are so easy to make when you're on the trail and you just need a quick lunch. We're talking 470 to 600 calories, right around 4.5 to 6 ounces. Before we get started, guys, don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you never miss another one of our videos. So this recipe I actually got from this book. It's called Lip Smacking Backpacking. I'll leave a link in the comments below, so if you want to get this book yourself, it's really good. Great recipes in here. This one I've tried and it's actually pretty good, but I've modified it a little bit. I've changed the raisins to cranberries because I just like cranberries. They taste better to me. You're going to need one of these peanut butter cups. They come in about 1 to 1.5 ounce cups like this. There's 250 calories in just this tiny little cup. 11 carbs, 20 grams of protein, and 20 grams of fat. Your cranberries, I'm using craisins. These things come in packets of 6. These weigh 1 ounce and have about 23 carbs and 90 calories. On your tortillas, you've got options. You can use 1 tortilla or you can use 2 tortillas. Split the thing up into 2 tortillas. That's what I do. Each tortilla has about 130 calories, 22 carbs, 4 grams of protein, and 3 grams of fat. When it's all said and done, when you add this thing up, you're looking at just about 4 ounces for 1 tortilla, 470 calories, 56 carbs, and 14 grams of protein, and 23 grams of fat. Now, if you're going to use both tortillas, you're looking at 5.5 ounces, 600 calories, 78 carbs, 18 grams of protein, and 26 grams of fat. Either way you look at it, if you're doing a pretty hefty hike, you're going to want as many carbs as you can get your hands on. And when you're looking at a 5.5 ounce meal that will give you 700 calories, that's a pretty darn good calorie to ounce intake. So let's put this thing together, show you it's super easy. You can do it on the trail, you can do these pre-rolled, whatever you want. So here, we're going to do 2 tortillas, because I'm a hungry guy. So take your peanut butter, and kind of split it up between the 2. And then just kind of spread it out. Take your craisins and just split them up between the 2 and roll away. Voila! And that's all there is to it. This thing is simple, quick, and tastes great when you're hungry on the trail, hiking all day. 700 calories between these 2. And boy, do they taste great. Oh, fantastic. Guys, let us know what you think in the comments below. Have you tried this before? Maybe you have a recipe that you think is better. Let us know. We love trying out new recipes. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you guys on the trail.